Hey everybody, welcome to My Family Farm Online. It's a rainy day here and I am all by myself, but I wanted to try and show you something related to feathers. So we're going to go over here in the rain. Sorry for the poor video quality from me, but I wanted to try and show you my geese and their feathers, and we might have to go into telephoto. So like I said, it's raining. I don't know if you can see it, but look at how the raindrops just sit. Hi, buddy. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I am the worst video camera operator in the whole world. Can you see the feathers? How the water just sits right on top. Quackers! Geese don't really quack, do they? What kind of sound do geese make? I think we say honk. So they're not really my quackers, they're my honkers. Quackers! Quackers! Come on, guys. Beep, 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 beep. One of them is always standing guard, and it's usually this big guy right in front keeping his eye on me. You notice him tilting his head? He's turning his eye up to the sky to see something that's flying above us. They're incredibly good watchdogs, geese. All right, bye guys. Thanks everyone for joining us. We'll see you again soon.